Hey, what's up, squids? Welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about staying visible on the road on your motorcycle. Staying visible at night, staying visible during the day, and staying visible during rain. First thing we want to touch on is staying visible at night. Now, I'm riding a Harley Davidson, and this Harley is of a darker color, and at night it's a little harder to see at night. Now, Harleys typically come in black, and you get the odd colors which you have to pay a little extra for, but usually Harleys are of a darker color. Now, the Japanese bikes, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, they all come in brighter colors. Like Honda will come in a red, Kawasaki will come in green, Yamaha will come in blue. Those bikes are a little easier to see at night and during the day. So let's take a look at this Harley Davidson really quick. Now I can stand back from this bike and you can spot one light at the back, and that's the back LED. Harley Davidson does not give you the left or the right running lights on this bike, just one light at the back. Now the Indian chief that is competing with this bike has LEDs at the back, left and right. Now these bikes come with reflectors on the back fender, and some come with reflectors on the front forks. As you can see here, this Lowrider S comes with one LED in the front and two regular lights left and right in the front. These also are running lights and indicators. Yes, Harley 1985 call, they want their standard lights back. People are running LEDs now. I don't know why Harley still chooses to run these regular lights. Look at these reflectors on the sides. They still serve a purpose. I don't know why people take these reflectors off. I guess they think it beautifies the bike. I don't know. If I'm running at night, I want my reflectors on this bike. You can see the reflectors shining a little at the back here, but they're not that bright. I don't know why Harley does not put LEDs on the sides, left and right on these bikes. What people are doing with these Lowrider S's are installing aftermarket LEDs. They install aftermarket LED running lights in the front and aftermarket LED running lights in the back. You can get those, you can pick those up at Crosstrade Cycle. They're pretty cheap. They run you about $40 for a set. They're not too expensive. And that is one way of staying visible at night, because those LEDs are pretty bright. Now at night, you want to ride around with some kind of high-vis jacket, pants, shoes, or whatever you can, but preferably a jacket. So this particular jacket I have on is a black jacket. Now this jacket has reflectors in it that when that light flashes on it at night, you'll pick up that reflection in the jacket. Now before I started riding, I didn't give much thought to it, and I just wanted a jacket, and I ran out and I bought this jacket. I did give some thought to it about the reflector, but if I was really on my A game, I would have bought a white jacket. Black jackets are cool and all, but a white jacket, you're a little more higher vis at night and during the day as well. I also bought myself a black helmet, but eventually I turned around and bought this helmet, which is a white and grayish helmet. So I am so visible at night with a gray and white helmet. And it is a gloss helmet, so light will reflect and shine off this helmet. Now at night, it would be smart, if you can, to put underglow in your bike, depending on the state you are in. Please check your local laws for underglow, and if you can put it in there, I would go ahead and do that if you know you're going to be riding at night. If you're not going to be riding at night, probably not want to go ahead and do that. So that is a night part covered. High vis, extra lighting so you can be seen. Now I don't like this bag, but Rider Bag has a nice high-vis bag you can buy if you don't have heavy equipment. You can buy that bag and use that bag to help you with the visibility. Now, riding during the day is about the same thing. You want to ride, oh, watch out for this cop. You want to ride in vis if you can. Like, try to buy like white gear. But if you have a white bike, I mean, you can still buy white gear or high vis gear, like yellow, green, whatever you choose. I mean, some people might not want to wear that kind of stuff because black is cool, so you might just want to wear black, and that's fine. Apart from being high vis, you want to watch out for intersections, and you want to watch out for stopping behind cars. Like, you don't want to ride in the blind side of cars. Like right now, I'm behind this guy, but I am in his mirror. I'm in his left side mirror, so he can see me behind here. In some states, you may be able to use flashing rear brake light. I don't know how legal it is in your state. You might want to check that out. So you can indicate to the person behind you that you're stopping by using that flashing red light. I mean, your brake light does work, but flashing light also helps as well. Now, if you look at this car in front of me, he's taking up the entire lane. But as a motorcycle, I have 3 lanes. I have the middle lane, I have the right lane, and I have the left lane. So I have 3 lanes at my disposal. Now watch, I'm going to switch to my far left lane to get around that person that's in that intersection. She's trying to come out from my right. I don't know if she saw me, but by me moving left to right, I gained her attention and I switched to my far left lane. Apart from high vis gear and having your front lights on, you can use this lane switching technique to make yourself visible in intersections. Like this white car right now, he's trying to come out. He don't really see me, but I'm moving from right to left. So automatically he sees something weird going on. He's like, wait, what's that? Oh, it's a bike moving from left to right in the lane. Now if I was on the left of this vehicle in front of me, he probably would not have seen me. But the fact that I was switching from lane to lane, he's like, wait, something caught his eye. Wait, something's going on here, something's going on. Oh, it's a biker moving from left to right. I see him. Another way you can stay visible during rain is wearing high vis rain gear. Once you aren't adverse to wearing reflective green material in rain, I would go ahead and do that. Some people might not want to do it. It's not fashion friendly. Oh, I'm in all green, I'm not fashion friendly. Or I'm in all orange, that's not fashion friendly. Some people want to be in all black, and that's cool. I'm sure a lot of older riders wouldn't want to wear orange or green. They probably just want to wear black. There's some riders out here who don't even want to wear a helmet. But as a new rider, you want to be safe because you're new. You're fumbling with the controls. You're learning all the controls for the first time. You're not as experienced, so you want to be visible on the road. Don't pay too much attention to what the veterans are doing because they've been doing it for so long. They're good at it. You just got out here. You just started riding. You need to be aware of your surroundings, and your surroundings need to be aware of you. So switching from lane to lane, wearing high vis gear, wearing reflective materials. There is reflective tape you can buy for your bike. You can stick it probably on the sides, on the back. I guess once you gain enough experience and you don't feel the need to use that reflective material anymore, I guess you could take it off. Me personally, I wouldn't take it off. Like my reflectors are on my bike that came with the bike. I see a lot of people taking those off. I am never gonna do that. I ride at night and I need as much light and reflecting on me as possible because my safety is my #1 priority. Now when riding on 2-lane highways or the interstate, you don't want to be riding in a blind sight. In this Honda CRV, this guy can't see me. I can't see him and he can't see me. I'm in his blind sight. So what I want to do is I want to either get out of his blind side by speeding up, or I want to slow down so he can see me. Try not to stay in people's blind side. If they don't come over on you on purpose. They come over on you because they didn't see you. So I see a lot of road rage because, oh, he came out on me, he saw me. No, that person driving the car did not see you. You were in their blind side. And that's what happens when you're in the blind side. People come over into your lane. He didn't do it on purpose. She didn't do it on purpose. She did not see you. If you are an experienced driver, you can always tell when a person is going to react in a particular way. Whether they're going to move left, right, slow down, you can always tell. Alright guys, I'm going to call that a wrap. Remember, stay visible out here, man. Keep your eyes on a swivel. Keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.